Join me as I dive into the mind-bending question of whether time travel is actually possible, and I'm going to put some crazy theories to the test. Time travel, the ultimate fantasy for many of us science fiction fans. Who wouldn't want to jump into a DeLorean, hit 88 miles per hour, and blast off into the past or future? But as much as we love the idea of time travel, the question remains, is it really possible? Let's talk about the paradoxes and challenges associated with time travel. One of the most famous ones is the grandfather paradox. What if you went back in time and killed your own grandfather before he had children? That would mean you were never born. But if you were never born, then who killed your grandfather? It's a brain twister, and it raises so many questions about the consequences of changing the past. Another problem with time travel is the Novikov self-consistency principle. It states that any events that occur through time travel have already occurred and are therefore predetermined, which kind of takes the excitement out of it, doesn't it? I mean, if everything is predetermined, then what's the point of even trying to change anything? And then there's the issue of causality. If you went back in time and changed something, how would you know that the effect you're seeing is a result of your actions and not just a natural course of events? It's like trying to figure out which came first, the chicken or the egg. Not to mention the energy requirements for time travel are just staggering. We're talking about enormous amounts of power, far beyond what we can currently generate. So all things considered, time travel seems like a pretty far-fetched idea. But what if I told you that there are some scientific theories that suggest time travel might not be as impossible as we think? Let's start with wormholes. These are hypothetical tunnels through space-time that could potentially connect two distant points in space-time, allowing for near-instant travel between them. Another theory is Einstein's relativity. According to his theory, time is relative, and it can be affected by gravity and motion. This has been proven through experiments with atomic clocks and high-speed particles. So, in theory, if we could move at high enough speeds or find a way to manipulate gravity, we could potentially travel through time. Quantum mechanics is another area of science that suggests time travel might be possible. In the quantum world, particles can tunnel through space-time, allowing them to move from one point to another instantaneously. If we could scale this up to larger objects, we might be able to create a way to travel through time. And then there's the concept of quantum entanglement, where two particles become connected in such a way that what happens to one affects the other, no matter how far apart they are. Some scientists believe that this could be used to send information through time, effectively allowing for communication with the past or future. One significant scientific experiment that's got people talking is the quantum eraser experiment. It's a variation of the classic double-slit experiment where researchers have shown that it's possible to send a particle back in time and change its behavior even after it's been observed. It's mind-blowing stuff, and it's got a lot of people wondering if we're on the cusp of a major breakthrough in time travel. So, is time travel really possible? Well, the debate is still ongoing, and scientists are continuing to explore new theories and ideas. While we've discussed some of the challenges and paradoxes associated with time travel, we've also seen that there are some promising theories out there that suggest it might not be as impossible as we think. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of time travel. If you have any thoughts on the subject, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to explore more mind-bending scientific theories, be sure to subscribe so you can check out my next video.